Hello everyone. Today I'm taking you right into the heart of Visakhapatnam City Central Park. It's not just a park, it's a space where nature, peace, and modern vibes come together beautifully. Join me as we explore the greenery, the walking trails, and that calm energy you can only find in nature. Let's begin our journey through Visakhapatnam's Central Park. Formerly known as Voda City Central Park, VMRDA City Central Park is a widely famous amusement park that promises you to offer the best recreational experience surrounded by the natural beauty around the place. Spread over an area of 22 acres, the VMRDA City Central Park has officially opened its door for its visitors on 14 September 2016 and was inaugurated by the ex-Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu. It is well-maintained and neatly cleaned park within the city of Visakhapatnam and is under the control of the Visakhapatnam Metropolitan Region Development Authority. A must-visit destination for couples and families with children, the park has astonishing lawns, over 3,000 shady trees and 50+ varieties of plants and herbs that make it look unique and different from other amusement and entertainment parks in Visakhapatnam. Perfect for a half-day excursion, the City Central Park is considered as a good place to spend some quality time together on the weekends. Here you will find a separate children area for kids to mingle with others of their own age along with lots of fun activities for your enjoyment. There is also a vast range of eateries available where you can stop to munch on your favorite snacks whenever you feel hungry. Things to do at VMRDA City Central Park, Visakhapatnam. Ek Musical Fountain. You cannot afford to miss the musical fountain whenever you are within the premises of the VMRDA City Central Park. Also recognized as the Teen Adi largest fountain in India, it is the major highlight of this park that dances to the tune of music, thus attracting thousands of tourists every week. Though Bonsai Garden, another equally fascinating attraction of this park is Bonsai Garden. Home to more than 100 varieties of miniature bonsais, the Bonsai Garden is indeed a great place to walk through and admire the overall look and feel of this garden. Here, the local government authority is also planning to organize workshops where experts from all over the world will come every year to spread their knowledge and awareness about bonsai plants. Teen Yoga Hall and Amphitheatre. Enjoy a visit to Yoga Hall and do some stretching to relax your mind and muscles. There is also a spacious amphitheatre where live performances, events and other activities are conducted for your entertainment. It has an accommodation capacity of up to 500 members. Char jogging and cycling track. Last but not the least, the VMRDA City Central Park has a jogging track of 1 km for fitness fanatics and 850 meters of walking track for all those who love to walk holding hand of their loved ones. Other than that, you can also enjoy bicycling at 50 rupees for 1 hour as the park features 0.9 km of cycling track. Entry fee and timings of VMRDA City Central Park, Visakhapatnam. The opening and closing timings of VMRDA City Central Park in Visakhapatnam are from subah ke 9 baje to raat ke 9 baje on all days of the week. Coming to its entry fee, it charges 30 rupees per person for adults.
तन्हाई के वास्ते अब कुछ तो करूं, बेरंगी सी है बड़ी जिंदगी, कुछ रंग भरूं। मैं अपनी तन्हाई के वास्ते अब कुछ तो करूं, जब मिले थोड़ी फुर्सत, जब मिले थोड़ी फुर्सत, खुद से कर ले मोहब्बत, है तुझे भी इजाजत, कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत। इन दिनों दिल मेरा मुझ।
'मुझसे है कह रहा, 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 'मुझसे है कह रहा,
तू ख्वाब सजा, तू जी ले जरा, है तुझे भी इजाजत, कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत, है तुझे भी इजाजत, कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत।
वाह 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 वाह, गिफ्ट ले लो।
अभी ले चलूं कहीं दूर, आँखों के प्यालों से पीता रहूं उसके चेहरे का नूर, उसको छुपा कर मैं सबसे कहीं ले चलूं कहीं दूर, आँखों के प्यालों से पीता रहूं उसके चेहरे का नूर, इस ज़माने से छुप कर, इस ज़माने से छुप कर पूरी कर लूं मैं हसरत, है तुझे भी इजाजत, कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत। इन दिनों दिल मेरा मुझसे है कह रहा, तू ख्वाब सजा, तू जी ले जरा, है तुझे भी इजाजत, कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत, है तुझे भी इजाजत, कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत।
So that was my little journey through City Central Park here in Vishakhapatnam. The fresh air, the open sky, and every corner here tells its own story. If you ever visit Vishakhapatnam, don't miss this park. It's the perfect place to recharge yourself. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon with another adventure. Until then, stay inspired and keep exploring. Globe showing Europe Africa sparkles.